Greetings to all the judges. Students' name Ansh Singh, Lakshay Goyal and Priyanshu Kumar Pandey. Mentor name Mrs. Sakshi Dixit, TJT Computer Science. Project Smart Parking System and the sub-theme is ICT.
The project name is Smart Parking System. Index, problem analysis, problem explanation, how our project works, working of our project, benefits of our project, softwares and components used.
Problems with Indian parking system and analysis of it. The problem in Indian metropolises is skewed demand for on-street parking since it's cheaper and than off-street parking. On-street parking issues often cause delays, especially on roads with heavy traffic. Seeking a vacant parking space during the peak hours in areas like hospitals, hotels, and shopping centers, airports, universities, and exhibitions, and convention centers has always been frustrating for many drivers. Surveys say that traffic generated by cars searching for vacancies in parking spaces is up to 40% of the total traffic, which is very huge and a lot time consuming. These days we face parking related problems everywhere, be it a big complex or a small neighborhood. This leads to and in extreme cases critical accidents as well. This is a common problem and this happens every day at ground level. An unregulated traffic tariff structure leads to scarcity of parking spaces, which force people to park vehicles near their street, which leads to more vehicles on road, contributing to air and noise pollution.
Some problems related to Indian parking system are car accidents occur while parking vehicles and this leads to injuries and also consume a lot of time. And further it leads to arguments and fights between two people which can lead to severe injury.
So how does our project works? We have made a smart parking system that uses IoT. So as our project is based on IoT, it is connected with an app that shows how many slots are occupied or unoccupied. And it also shows the footage of the parking. We used Arduino IR sensor, Node MCU and camera module to make the circuit of the same. The Arduino has been programmed so that it constantly takes data from IR sensor and check whether the parking slots are available or not. And it also takes the data from camera module to show the footage of the same. Now the data collected in Arduino is transmitted to the app we made with the help of Node MCU which works with Wi-Fi. Thus the data is shown in our app on real-time basis to the users. So basically this is the output app of our project. The project model is present on my friend's home and the IR sensor present over there will sense the whether the parking slots are occupied or not, and they will send the data using ESP to my phone, and I can see that data reflected on this app as this is a IoT project. So what this model does is that the IR sensors present over there sense that whether the parking slot is occupied or not. The Arduino Uno collects the data and sends it to the ESP, means the Node MCU module, and the Node MCU module sends data to the user's phone that whether or not the parking slots are occupied or not. Basically you get here the parking slot 1, parking slot 2, and as you can see the parking slots are not occupied yet, so it is showing that they are not occupied. And you can also see the live footage of parking using, we are capturing this using camera module, and the user of app will also be able to see that it's like a CCTV footage. So now my friend will occupy one slot of parking. So now the IR sensor have sensed the data and it has sent it on my phone, and you can see that the parking slot 1 is occupied. Now please occupy the second parking slot. Yes, now basically the second parking slot is also occupied. Please empty one now. Yeah, so basically it works like this. So this is IoT project presented by us. Thank you for watching.
Platforms and components used. First, Arduino IDE. Second, Blink. Third, C++. Fourth, Arduino Uno R3. Fifth, Node MCU ESP8266. Sixth, IR sensor. 7, jumper wires 8, decoration materials 9, camera module 10, Canva and Filmora X.
Thank you for watching our project. We hope that this idea can bring a change in the society. If you also feel so, please do support us by liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you.